As a golf course management professional, you work hard to maintain a prestigious golf course, and nothing is worse than seeing algae in weed-infested lakes or eroding shorelines on your course. But it's hard to maintain beautiful water on your course, especially when your resources are stretched thin. When the course you're responsible for looks bad, it not only damages the course's image, but also your reputation as a professional. That's why Solitude Lake Management partners with golf courses across the country to achieve beautiful, worry-free water. When you schedule a consultation with Solitude, you'll meet with a lake management professional who will gain an understanding of your goals and budget. With that information, our lake management experts develop a management plan backed by science that will keep your water bodies pristine and safe, while also maintaining healthy water quality that's optimal for turf irrigation. Stop carrying the burden of managing your course's water bodies on your own, and use that time to start focusing more on your turf. Contact us today to achieve beautiful water and stable shorelines and elevate the status of your course.